Alrighty, today we're going to take a look at how to create the IDW, the drawing for our 5 jam part doing inventor. This is what we're going to look like. We're going to place these dimensions on here, and our front view, right side view, and pictorial isometric we're going to put on here as well. This is on a B size sheet. The only thing that you don't have to add is this stuff down here, the note and the techniques learned, but the dimensions I'll expect to be on there. To begin, we're going to start off from our Inventor home screen. We're going to go up to New and go down to Standard.idw and click Create. First thing, like we've always done, come up here to our top model browser bar, and we're going to go to Sheet 1, right click, Edit Sheet. We're going to change our size to a D size sheet to a B size sheet and click OK. Then we're going to come up to our ribbon bar, click on Base, and we're going to select this folder with a magnifying glass in it. And once again, we want to be in our H drive gray box with the green line underneath of it. And we're going to go find our part and click OK. Once our part comes up on the screen, click once again, OK. And then we're going to get our red dotted line, move this over to the side. And then we're going to come up to the top to Projected. Now remember, if this doesn't automatically come up locked to your cursor, like mine is, when I click Projected, nothing's attached to my cursor. If I bring my cursor down to the part, click on that, it automatically locks on. I'm going to give myself a right side view, a pictorial isometric, and then you have to use your mouse, right click, and click Create. Now let's take a look at some of those dimensions. Zooming in just a little bit, I need to have these dimensions placed on here for the center of each one of these counterbore holes. That counterbore feature was pretty cool. Hopefully we'll get to try that again. I want my overall dimension. Now since I have fillets on all the corners, just clicking the bottom line, I don't come up with the right dimension. When I click this bottom line, it doesn't come up with the right dimension, so I have to use a different dimensioning technique by selecting the left-hand side and selecting the right-hand side to bring that full dimension down. I'll have to do the same thing with my hole and total vertical height as well. Coming back on that little leg on the top. That dimension goes in there as well, the center from the bottom of the up, and the overall height of this lower leg. Okay, that looks pretty good. I got a couple more to put in here for my horizontal dimensions. Did that one wrong. Let's try again. Dimension. Bring that dimension up, and then I'm going to give myself an overall dimension as well. Okay, that's it for the basic easy dimensions. Let's go on to our holes and threads. I'm going to click this hole here, bring that out, and you see how that already puts in the dimension for the drill and the counterbore, so that I can leave alone. And then of course I have my fillets that are in here. I can bring that out, and I'm okay if you leave it just like that, that's fine. Okay, so this is our 5 jam drawing. We're going to go up to the top, go to Orange File. We're going to go down to Save As. We're going to make sure this is going to our H drive, first initial, last name, 000. Still file name is 5jam and your last name. Click Save. Now we need to get it into that PDF form in order to turn into Google Classroom. So let's go once again up to the orange file in the top left-hand corner. We're going to go down to Export. We're going to export PDF. Make sure it's in your H drive and click Save. Great job on getting your 5 jam part done. Very impressed. Make sure you turn this drawing into Google Classroom. There will be a spot in Google Classroom for you to put this drawing in, and make sure you're adding the PDF file not the IDW file.